Hello everyone, welcome back to the live trading with Golden Girl today. Firstly, I would like to test my microphone. If you hear me well, let's comment okay to let me know that my microphone is okay. And yeah, we will start our live stream session today. Hi Lucifer. Welcome to my live stream today. Is this okay for you to hear me well right now? Hi. Hi. Okay, that's good. Hello Esiku, welcome back to the live trading with me today. And do you still remember the live trading last Tuesday? Yeah, last Tuesday for the sell scalping signal at the entry zone 45 to 44. After that, my signal successfully gained more than 100 pips. Right after I end my live stream, and this is a big victory for everyone. It's not only a small gift but also the technical analysis that help you to understand how is that set up, how is that signal set up, and together we have gift. Hello Sebastian, welcome to my live stream today. Okay, so if you want to receive my gold trading plan, you can scan the QR code I insert on the left side of the corner, or click to the link I put in the bio, so that you can join my Nova Scalper channel on Telegram and check my gold trading plan every day. And also today Asian session, early morning we have consecutive victory, successful trading signals together, and it will more than 400 pips profit occur. So congratulations for all my VIP members that you joining my live stream today. Hi Sabs, welcome to my live stream today. Hi Gold Scalper, welcome back. Alright, so anyone, do you have successful trading signal in today's early Asian session? We don't know when and we don't know which signal will be stable to bring you profit every day, right? So that's why we should be patient and disciplined to our trading analysis. More than 14 hours observing the chart every day, and I do not quit any major sessions. So that's why I'm loyal to the 3 major sessions. And today, once again, our VIP signal group gaining consecutive continuous trading signal. Alright, and as you can see on the chart, that gold break out the previous level already, right? Break out this peak 41.46, and if you join in my live stream last Tuesday, this level is the key level I note for you to observe it. And according to 1 hour time frame, you can see that this is a very powerful bullish momentum, and you can check the trading volume as well. This one, you can see that it's gained the highest volume compared with the previous volume bar recently, right? According to 1 hour time frame. And this is the confirmation for the market that the buyers dominating the market, the gold market, and now it's heading to a higher level. It's break a previous resistance, and now It's accumulating at the middle of the way, that dropping drastically from, let me check, from October, Tuesday, October 21st. I will mark it for you. This is also the breakdown level, and now gold is facing with short-term selling pressure, right? Short-term selling pressure. Okay, let me zoom it out for you. You can see that this is the breakdown level. This is the station for a lot of sellers here, right? So it's easy for us to understand that gold is accumulating for this range for a while before it's heading to the current trend. Tonight there is a series of high impact news. Okay, today we also received the officially open the government right after a threat of 43-day shutdown. As I remember, 43-day shutdown. So it's significantly a longest period for the government shutdown so far. However, the policies are already agreed, and now things get normally again. So that is also another factor for gold facing with the selling pressure in today's trading session. So any news that support for USD is also bring a negative for USD. Oh, I wonder why it do not show any red news for today in Forex Factory calendar. Okay. Are your calendars the same me? I wonder why there's do not have any special news. Since today to Friday, just some members of FOMC had to speak. Alright, my FX book. That's weird. Because this calendar will show me which is the most important news. It will show as the red folder as usual for the important news. Okay, so anyway, we need to trade very careful, especially in the New York session. Alright, in the New York session. And we can refer the previous reaction of gold price here. It's accumulating for a short time, and then there will be a Marubozu, which is breakout from previous resistance, right? Previous resistance will break out and confirm for another bullish momentum. Bullish momentum, and it's officially breakout from $4,200 level, and now it's moving, resting, accumulating around 42.28. Hi, Niyosa, hello. Okay, and you guys don't forget to like today's live stream and subscribe for Nova YouTube to receive the notification whenever I online for the live stream. Alright, thank you so much for your support. Okay, so now the market is moving in such a narrow range, and that is the broader view I just showed for you in today's New York session. And after that, after checking the volume, we can hide this to make our chart easier to observe. Let's check for the daily time frame. Alright, let me delete it. Yeah, you can see that it gradually fill the FVG area like I told you according to the daily time frame. Yeah, this is the fair value gap for this powerful bearish candle that was formed on Tuesday, October 21st. Yeah, nearly 3 weeks ago. And it's also forming a fair value gap here, and the recent candlestick, recent bullish candlestick was already filled this gap. Okay, so that's why we have a lot of factors support for gold bullish momentum recently, right? If we understand the strategy and the movement, the cycle of the market, it's gonna be a big advantage for you, to increase your winning rate. No matter what, you're swing trader or day trader or scalpers, as long as you can do analysis well and identify a perfect entry zone, that will help you a lot, to hold for a big target, profit target. Okay, so that is the bullish momentum. For the bullish momentum that fill this fair value gap, if you usually joining in my live stream, you will remember my analysis because I already told you about this point. Okay, so today it's officially break out once again from this resistance level. So this level is also another very important one for us to observe. 35, 42, 35 to 40. If gold can break out strongly from this resistance zone, definitely it will head into the next level around 77 or 80. 80. Anyway, in the long term, gold is always in a bullish trend, uptrend. For when gold having a drastically dropping momentum, that is time for you to enter a buy position, because that is a very bargain price for everyone, and investors and traders love it. Okay. Hello, Bear. Hi, Behave. Give signal. Okay. I really want it, but because now the market is moving sideways. This time the market easily to move sideways, so we need to observe for the market movement before we decide to set up any new signal, especially real-time trading signal. And you can also refer my gold trading plan that I post in my channel, on my channel on Telegram. Okay, let me check the scalping signal I already told you for my gold trading plan. Sell zone at 42.53. 42.53 is around here. 42.52 and 42.50. Alright, this gonna be here. $52. Because why do I not measure for this place? Because I bargain, make a bargain a bit for the market to have a better position. Because when it break out strongly from any resistance level, the momentum, it tend to move quickly and easily sweep the stop loss. So that's why I level up my entry zone a little bit higher and choose the area between 50 to 52 for the sell scalping signal according to my gold trading plan. And for the current buy gold, yeah, for my gold trading plan, it's just down here. Yeah, so far away from here. 41, 48. Yeah, it's kind of low and far away from the current signal. Yeah, 48 to 46 will be the area for the buy scalping signal down here. Okay, so I just deleted the resistance level to help you identify easily for both signal buy and sell according to my gold trading plan. Okay, so if you are not convenient, you're inconvenient to observe my signal, yeah, on my Telegram community, you can take a screenshot for this key level. Yeah, this is very important for you to identify the entry for the pending order according to my gold trading plan today. Let me change the color below here to indicate this is the support level. Alright. So are you clear for today's gold trading plan, everyone? Are you clear? Let's comment okay if you're already clear for my gold trading plan today. Hello, where are you? It seems quiet. Hello Tanish, welcome to my live stream today. BTC, BTC once again. Okay. Hi Behave, you seem so urgent for the signal, right? Like I just shared with you, the market is moving in a narrow range at the moment. I just did a brief analysis for both signal according to my gold trading plan, but they are pending order, so be patient. Okay, be patient for the signal. Yeah, of course I have a VIP signal group. Yeah, less than $50 and exactly around 48. Yeah, $48. You can join in my gold VIP signal group, gold platinum. Alright. And for the qualified scalping signal, like today in today New York's Asian session, I have continuous gold signal that's winning with a very high pips, running pips profit. Let me show you the summary table. 1 second. And if you want to join in my VIP signal group, you can send me the direct message on Telegram. Yeah, and I will instruct you how to join in my VIP signal group. Yeah, this is only from the Asian session. Okay. You can see that 6 continuous sell and buy signals. Alright. Total pips is more than 400. Yeah. So I usually receive the question that which is the best session for us to trade. Actually, for me, that those 3 sessions is the best. Yeah, because they are major trading session for all of us. You know. And that's why I always remind for your discipline and patience. Yeah, very important. If you follow enough signal that I post in my VIP signal group every day, definitely that your trading profit, your trading result will increase significantly. Besides that, I also organize the private live stream that's sharing the lesson regarding to technical analysis to my VIP members. Or you can also find me at Scalper 86. Yeah, this is my username on Telegram. Okay, it's easier for you to find me by using this. Alright, so now it's start dropping down. And do you realize that there are the pattern on the chart? What was it called? Anyone have any idea for this pattern that I just draw on the chart? Hello, let's interact to each other, and now it's time for us to review the lessons, because this one I already prepared the video, and this is the one of the basic this is the one of the advanced trading and correct. Yeah, supernova scalper. Yeah, this is the triple top pattern, and now it's break down. Yeah, it's break down from the bottom line. Sorry for the neckline here. And let's wait for this signal. Is it gonna be another bearish one? So we will have 3 black rounds, right? 3 black rounds. However, below here we have support zone. We have a support zone down here. So if you want to chill with the market, you can enter small lots for the sell signal at the moment. Or it's better for you to wait for the next one, for the next candlestick confirm. Below here we have EMA 89. This is act like a dynamic support, so that's why gold is forming a lower wick here. Yeah, congratulations for the correct answer. Good job, good job. 3 crowns. This is forming a 3 black crowns here. This is what I'm talking about. And this is the combination between the price action pattern and the candlestick pattern. Okay, it will help you a lot to increase your accuracy for your trading analysis. Oh, it's heading to 424. Yeah, 24, and that's why we need to observe how is it formed for the last candle, for the current candle according to 5-minute time frame. And remember, when you decide to set up this any scalping signal or any line signal, trading signal for any time frame, you need to be stable and disciplined to follow that time frame. Alright, you can observe the detailed movement in a smaller time frame or the broader view for the bigger time frame like 1 hour or 4 hour or daily. But when you set up signal, according to, for example, 5-minute time frame, you must identify the stop loss your entry and take profit based on 5-minute time frame. Okay, especially for the stop loss. Alright, and the next one is form a continue for the bearish candle, but yeah, the previous 5-minute candle was failed to form a 3 black crowns. Yeah, so that's why we keep on observing the chart movement. And take note for below support here, support zone here, around 17. And let me move it up a higher a little bit. There is 17 to 19. Yeah, the range of the candlestick movement is kind of narrow at the moment, just only 50 to 60 pips moving. Okay, because the previous one was failed, yeah, to forming a 3 black round. So for this candlestick in the 5-minute time frame, we need to continue to observe it. So this time, whenever I start live stream, it's usually moving in the sideways market. But however, it will form a triple top pattern. Yeah, this is forming for a short-term selling pressure. All right. Yeah, so I can see that our live chat is kind of quiet. So, are you excited for today's live signal? If yes, let's comment yes or go on. Okay, if you are interested in the scalping signal today, let's comment go on or yes. At least 20 comments. I will post the scalping signal for you. Okay. Come on, at least 20 comments. At least 20 comments. Come on, if you don't want to miss the very, very attractive and super fantastic for today live stream signal. Yeah, I can see that the comment is not enough to 20. So now, in today's live stream, at least 20 comments yes or go on. I will post the scalping signal. Today do not have any emergency. No mercy for today live stream anymore. If you want to receive the scalping signal, follow my instruction. I just want us to more proactive and make some noise to avoid the sleepy feeling, right? And this is the EMA I'm using indicator that I'm using at the moment. Yeah, this one Where's the star? You can take a screenshot for this name of indicator. Okay, multiple EMA by Eric. And chain jump into 34, 85, 89 and 200. Okay. Go on. Yeah, the comment is not enough. It's nearly enough to 20, at least 20. So is it difficult for you like that? Yeah, come on. Because this is the free scalping signal. Yeah, free scalping signal. And I really love to receive your support from the comment and like and support for this subscribe button. Yeah, it did not take you anything, right? No fees to click to the subscribe button and the like button for today's live stream. No fees at all. But simple thing, simple action will give you a profitable scalping signal. Alright. Yeah, let me check. Yeah, so the quantities is kinda enough for according to my requirements. So that's why I will offer you a free scalping signal today. Where's the text? Yeah, like I just shared with you, below here is a support zone, and that's why we will set up a buy signal down here. Okay, game set, and good luck everyone for today's signal. It's gradually heading to our entry zone down here. So are you clear for today's signal, everyone? Are you clear for this one? Buy gold 17 to 19. Let me zoom it out for you to easily to observe it. Okay. It's gonna take some time because it's nearly 30 pips that it will hit our first entry. Okay, and good luck for today's signal. Good luck. Okay, so just heading up to 25. Actually, this signal was the route 2 for the buy bullish momentum. And if you are my VIP members, that we have another opportunities, that better occasion for you, because our first entry zone was buy at 20 to 18 here, this, and the wick candlestick shadow was active for this gapping signal. Currently Yeah, our VIP signal group members, signals, yeah, heading to 80 pips so far. Yeah. And if you want to receive the benefits like my VIP members, you can contact me. Yeah, send me a direct message, contact me, and I will instruct you how to join it easily. Okay, so meanwhile waiting for the current signal getting active, so I will do a brief analysis for BTC as you require. Okay, let's take a broader view. 1 hour time frame. Let's see for the daily, for the trend line. For the trend line, it's still under the current momentum. Yeah, the current candlestick in the daily time frame is still under the trend line. And EMA 200, all the 3 EMA ribbons here. So this is to indicate for the current downtrend for BTC at the moment. However, its reaction, it's having the reaction at below support zone and continue receive the rejection from the sellers at this point. 1,800. Yeah, so this can be considered as a very strong support zone because it was touched nearly 4th time already. Even though it dropping drastically, however, it still received a lot of buying momentum, from the buyers. Okay, so this is the support zone according to the daily time frame. I just do the analysis for you. Alright, and according to 1 hour, we have another trend line here. Another trend line, and it's moving in narrow range, and it's forming a flag candlestick pattern, descending flag pattern, I'm wondering how to bold it. Descending pattern. It's forming lower lows and lower highs. Alright, we will wait for this reaction. Okay, let me delete the redundant chart drawing here. Just focus to this one. Okay, you can see that it's moving in a very, very narrow range and heading to the corner of a triangle pattern, right? This is a triangle pattern, and it's also forming a lower lows and lower highs, and this is the trend line I want to show you. So we will wait for another breakout or breakdown reaction according to 1 hour chart. Alright, if you trade like swing trading, for this time we have the fair value gap below here. So it tends to feel below fair value gap for this bullish candlestick form. Alright, and now, it's still under the selling pressure because the proof that is lying below a 3 EMA ribbons here. These 3 EMA ribbons indicating for the market trend, and when the candlestick lying below 3 EMA ribbons here, it's showing that BTC is still under a lot of selling pressure. And the major signal you should enter in today's New York session is sell. For the sellers, support for the sellers at the moment. Okay, and it's getting more and more narrowed, to the corner of this triangle, and this is just the major trend when it's moved inside the triangle range. Alright, if you want to identify the further reaction of the market, the further direction, you need to wait for the confirmation candlestick, whether it breakout or breakdown. Okay, there will be two directions, and for me, I always remind you for this triangle pattern. Okay, triangle pattern is very common when we do analysis for any market. Any market you are joining in. I changed two arrows into different color. The blue ones indicate for the breakout candlestick, and it will recover in the short term. To decide if it's gonna be happened in a long term or not, we need to observe the momentum and the volume. That will show the determination for the buyers how to control the uptrend market, or it will continue under the selling pressure so far. Alright, if this form a very powerful bearish candlestick breakdown from 100.8 thousand dollar level here. That is the signal the market want to tell you. They are getting control by the sellers at the moment. Okay, so in summary, my meaning that it's still moving in a narrow range of the triangle pattern, descending triangle pattern, and your mission is follow the major trend is the selling pressure, the downtrend. Alright, if you want to decide to hold the scalping signal in a long time, you need to wait for the confirmation of the candlestick pattern that it will break out or break down from the two specific level I just note to you on the chart. Alright, this is the bright zone you need to observe. So far it's just moving very range, and the candlestick patterns, you see that it was very tiny. After a drastically bearish momentum or powerful bullish momentum here. Alright, so in the big time frame, the market is still moving in a narrow range actually. Or you can say that if you observe in a smaller time frame, like around 5 minutes, you will see it. It's moving in the sideways. Sideways area. Okay, so you need to set the pending order to have a better position. So for the middle range like this, actually it do not have any good position for you to hold for a long time, especially you trade future, right? Okay, so is it clear for you to receive my analysis, brief analysis for BTC today? Hi Shiran, what do you mean that is not valid? What do you mean that is not valid? Are you talking about BTC or gold, my dear? Okay, so it's heading to 30 already. Yeah, so far that my VAB members, you already gained profit for the better entry zone previously. Yeah, this signal was posed very soon. Yeah, this is the pending order I set around 3 hours ago. Yeah, and for current scalping signal, it didn't hit. Yeah, it didn't hit and valid. The current signal was not active, wasn't active yet, so let's wait, be patient. Okay, so if you receive the early signal that from in my VIB signal group, you will have 130 pips profit running so far. Yeah. Oh, it just break out from this resistance. Yeah, this neckline, and now it tend to coming back to retest. Yeah, coming back to retest. So we can have trading experience here. Let me share this with you. Okay, listen to this carefully. You can see that on the chart is forming a triple top pattern, right? And this is appear at the peak, yeah, after an uptrend, and a triple top pattern occur, established. However, you can see it's break down from the neckline, but the momentum, the bearish momentum, do not happen strongly, right? Because the signal, is nearly forming a 3 black crowns candlestick pattern. However, it fell as for the third candlestick. Okay, and with this very long lower wick, this indicates for the powerful buying momentum here. Because down here we have breakout zone. Yeah, breakout zones for this station, this candlestick, and this is the breakout area that was the reason for the bullish trend. Yeah, happened on Thursday. Yesterday, on today Asian session, right? So we have trading experience here is if you see the triple top pattern, any pattern occur on the chart, but there are not confirmation candlestick or confirmation candlestick pattern, that pattern was fell, right? And if you enter any sell signal, it easily hits your stop loss. Okay, for this case, the stop loss you will set above here, 35. If you follow the risk reward ratio for 50 pips, you enter the sell signal here around 27. It will hit your stop loss for 50 pips. Yeah, it's nearly hit the stop loss. Yeah, 33. Yeah, like this time it hit the stop loss. Alright. So you need to wait. Anyway, you need to wait for the market confirmation before you decide to enter any signal. Yeah, I mean the stop loss will set around 33. And the target will set here as the breakout zone. Previous low. So for this case, if you trade, it's nearly hit the stop loss in the beginning. However, you can still have the profits from this trade for the false confirmation signal. False confirmation candlestick pattern. However, you can see that it's coming back and hit your stop loss before it hit your take profit if you set it too far. If you set the stop loss the take profit below here around 19, it will not hit your take profit. It will hit your stop loss instead. Alright, so any trading analysis will have the forms, because trading is probability. Remember, for this spell, trading is probability. So that's why we need to follow the risk management closely and our stable and discipline when we trade. Okay, no matter what session or signal you are in, you need to keep calm and discipline. Okay, can you promise to do that? If you can, 80% you will become a professional trader. Okay, Telegram channel is not working. I usually receive the feedback like this. However, I try to enter it by myself. I'm using another Telegram account. I can access to it, or you can find me as the Nova Scalper 86. Nova Scalper 86, the username. I will send you the link, or you can scan the QR code. Okay, scan the QR code I insert on the left side of the chart, so you can enter my community on Telegram. So there are three ways. There are three ways for you to join in my Telegram community. Okay, I will show you the username once again. Nova Scalper 86. Find me by using this username. Alright, okay, so it's nearly around 7 minutes left that I will end my live stream today. So today's scalping signal was not active when I have the live stream, but I will continue to update the status of the signal on my community. So anyone, do you have a question? We just have a few minutes together. Just a few minutes left for my live stream today. Anyone had a question? So is this okay for you to find me by using this this username, Nova Scalper 86, my friend? Is this okay for you to find me on Telegram by using this this username? Are you still here? Hello? Okay, you have one question. Go on. Feel free to answer it. No, we do not have any sell scalping signal here. The the ruler is just for the illustration. Use the Fibonacci retracement. Actually, that I cannot express all the meaning for just a few minutes left. I wish you can ask me in the beginning of my live stream. Retracement, right? Retracement. Okay, I will try to reply that. the first thing you need to identify the trend. Okay, the trend of the market. If you want to use the Fibonacci retracement, example, you see this is a very strong uptrend from this one, right? Follow the mouse on my channel or on my chart. Okay, this is a very strong uptrend. We are observing in a 5-minute time frame, right? And then you want to find the retracement point. Okay, you want to find where is this gonna happen for another bullish reaction, because nothing go up forever, right? You can see this is a trend with very strong uptrend here. Of course, it have to form another candlestick after that with having the opposite direction, so that you can identify the market trend for a short term, right? And then you click to your Fibonacci retracement here, tool, click to the tool here, fifth retracement here, okay, or alternate F. Alright, and then you click to the bottom. Yeah, the starting will be the bottom of the trend, okay, and then you drag it to the highest point of the trend is above here. Yeah, this is the highest price of the bullish candlestick. Yeah, the last candlestick of that trend, of that uptrend. Alright, then you click, and you see here, let me delete this one. You see that at 0.5 we have the reaction. Yeah, the bullish reaction. That is the first point. Or it will have a bullish reaction near the point of 0.5 or 0.618 or 1. Sorry, for 1. Alright, if you lengthen the area of 0.618, you will see there's a lot of candlestick having the bullish reaction. Yeah, here you are. Okay. However, you need to use confluence with other conditions like EMA. We have EMA 89 lying below here, is acting like a dynamic support. So if there are two conditions, the first thing, this is the point where is the retrace. Yeah, retrace of the candlestick, right? And we also have EMA 89 acting like a dynamic support. So you can set yourself a buy signal. Yeah, buy signal around 22 or 25. Alright, but for me 0.618 is more reliable than 0.5, because here 0.5 it's reacted already. Yeah, the market reacted the bullish momentum already, so it's easily sweep for the stop loss or another better position, and 0.618 is the better position for you. Okay, when the market already having the bullish reaction for at the location for 0.5. Okay, so this is the example and my explanation for you according to the uptrend and using Fibonacci retracement. Is this okay for you to understand for the basic knowledge? That is the simplest way for me to describe the meaning, and I believe that the easiest way for you to help you understand for this one. Okay, thank you so much. Hi Sekun, is it okay for you to receive this explanation? Hey guys, don't scam to my live stream, okay? Come on, I just started to build my community, my channel for a few times, just a short time. So please don't scam it. Okay, send a scam chat message on my live chat. All right. Hello, Asakin. Is it okay for you to understand from my explanation about how to use the Fibonacci retracement for the uptrend? Hi, Sonic. Next week I will have a live stream on Tuesday. Yeah, on Tuesday. Okay, I just read your comment. Your question, Tariq. You single. Yeah, I guess you want to ask me that if I single or married, right? That is a secret make woman secret. Okay. Yeah. Okay, everyone. So it's time to say goodbye, and I need to focus back on my VIP signal group. And don't worry, I still update the result of the current scalping signal, the pending scalping signal that I provide to you today. Once again, thank you so much for joining my live stream today, and I'm very happy to have you here. Alright, it's time to say goodbye and have a lovely day. We will see each other next week on Tuesday. Okay, thank you and goodbye.